Need powerful bass in a compact package? Today, we're diving into the best bass tube subwoofers that deliver deep bass, space-saving designs, and easy installation, all without breaking the bank. Let's get started. First up, the Alpine SWT S10 is a premium pick for clean and deep bass. This 10-inch subwoofer comes preloaded in a compact sealed bass tube, delivering 300 watts RMS with excellent accuracy and punch. Its cylindrical design reduces resonance and improves low-frequency output, making it perfect for tight spaces like trunks or SUVs. With Alpine's legendary build quality and smooth bass response, the SWT S10 is ideal for anyone seeking clear, distortion-free bass without sacrificing valuable vehicle space. The Kicker 46 CWTB 104 brings legendary bass performance in a rugged, weatherproof package. This 10-inch tube is powered by a built-in 400-watt amplifier and is designed to withstand the elements, perfect for trucks, boats, and outdoor vehicles. It features a tough ABS tube enclosure and offers rich, punchy bass with minimal distortion. If you want an amplified sub that sounds great and can take a beating, the Kicker 46 CWTB 104 is an excellent choice under $500. For serious bass enthusiasts, the Skar Audio SK10TBV delivers aggressive low-end power. This 10-inch vented tube comes with a powerful built-in amplifier, pushing 400 watts RMS, ensuring deep, hard-hitting bass. It features a premium stitched foam surround, a high-strength paper cone, and a vented design that allows for louder output without sacrificing clarity. If you want competition-grade bass from a ready-to-go setup, Skar Audio's SK10TBV is an unbeatable value for deep, room-filling lows. If you're tight on space but still want that low-end thump, the Bazooka BTA6100 is a compact powerhouse. This 6-inch tube may be small, but it punches above its weight with a built-in 100-watt amplifier, delivering tight, responsive bass. Its efficient design maximizes bass output even with smaller drivers, and it fits easily behind seats or into tight hatchbacks. For compact cars, motorcycles, or anyone needing discrete bass enhancement, the Bazooka BTA6100 is a perfect fit at an affordable price. Finally, the Kicker 46 CWTB 102 is another heavy hitter for rugged, all-weather audio setups. Like its sibling, it features a durable ABS enclosure, but this version is optimized with a dual voice coil design and a slightly different tuning for deeper low-end punch. The built-in amplifier powers the sub effectively while maintaining Kicker's signature dynamic bass sound. If you need weather-resistant bass for your truck, Jeep, or UTV, the 46 CWTB 102 provides serious impact and durability without busting your budget. And that's our list of the top 5 best bass tube subwoofers with built-in amplifiers under $500. Which one's going in your ride? Comment below and subscribe for more car audio gear breakdowns.